How to fix Outlook Data File PST has reached the maximum size. 1. Reduce the size of .pst. File. Path, File Info Account Settings submenu. Data files your own PST. 2. Increase the size limit for .pst. Files through the registry editor. 2.1 Set 100 and 2400 to max large file size dword at computer /h key _current _user /software /Microsoft /Office /16.0 /Outlook /PST in registry editor. 2.2 Set 97. (1280) to warn large file size dword in the above mentioned registry folder. Reboot your system.